If we don't know why we can't not sleep, it is in part because we don't really know why we need to sleep in the first place. We know we miss it if we don't have it, and we know that no matter how much we try to resist it, sleep conquers us in the end. We know that 7 to 9 hours after we give in to sleep, most of us are ready to get up again 15 to 17 hours after that we are tired once more. We have now for 15 years that we divide our slumber between periods of deep wave sleep and what is called rapid eye movement. Sleep when we brain is as active as when we're awake about our voluntary muscular or parasital. We know that all mammals and birds sleep, which reptiles and insects all experience some kinds of repose too. We know all this, but still the most basic questions remains: why? William Demond, a co-discoverer of REM sleep and so founder of the Stanford Sleep Medicine Center, knows more than most about the inner working of sleep. As for us, I know, he say, the only reason we need to sleep that is really solid is because we get sleepy. Unfortunately, the research is not always true. We don't always get sleeping when we need to sleep. Insomnia at epidemic levels in the developed world. 50 to 75 million American logically as with of the population complained about promptly sleeping.